Hello. So today we're talking about an AI topic called ensemble models. The main idea behind ensemble models is simple. Instead of relying on one model to make a decision, we let many models work together. Just like in real life, when you take advice from multiple people, you usually end up with a better decision. So let's explore how AI uses this idea. Before understanding ensembles, we need to know what a model is. In AI, a model is like a decision guide or a recipe that learns from data. It studies examples and then uses what it has learned to make predictions or choices. You can think of a model like a student. They study past paper questions, understand patterns, and then try to answer new questions using that knowledge. So, a model is basically a learned problem solver. Now let's talk about ensemble models. Ensembles are techniques where multiple models work together to make a single stronger prediction. The idea is similar to teamwork. One person might miss something, another person might catch it, but together the group makes a better decision. This is why ensembles are powerful. The key idea is that many weak learners combine to form one strong predictor. A simple way to understand ensembles is through a real life example. Imagine you want to know if it will rain today. If you ask just one friend, they might be wrong. But if you ask five friends and most of them say the same thing, the majority vote is usually more reliable. This is exactly how ensemble models behave. They combine multiple opinions to make a better decision. So, ensemble means better group decision. This diagram shows how ensemble models work behind the scenes. Your data is sent to multiple base learners. These could be decision trees, neural networks, or any type of model. Each of them gives its own prediction. Then a meta learner takes all those predictions and combines them to produce the final result. This structure allows the system to use the strengths of each model while reducing their individual weaknesses.
So why do we even need ensemble models? Can't we just fix the errors in one model and then use that? Well, the idea is very similar to when we're consulting friends, right? तो अगर हमें कोई essay check करवाना है and we are consulting three of our friends, तो एक शायद दोस्त हमारा is better at checking grammar. The other one might be better at vocabulary. The third one might be better at चेकिंग हाउ क्रिएटिव आर आइडियाज़ आर तो हमारे लिए सबसे फ़ायदेमंद फीडबैक वो होगा जो हम तीनों से लेंगे क्योंकि अगर हम शायद किसी एक से फीडबैक लें तो किसी और चीज़ में कमी निकल आए द सेम थिंग हैपन्स फॉर व्हेन वी यूजिंग मल्टीपल मॉडल्स सो दिस वे वन मॉडल माइट बी एबल टू कवर अप फॉर अनदर मॉडल एंड इससे हमारी एक्यूरेसी इंप्रूव होती है एरर्स रिड्यूस होते हैं डेटा बेटर हैंडल होता है एंड कंसिस्टेंट रिजल्ट्स आते हैं ओवर टाइम So, ensemble models are implemented using three main techniques. So, the first one is bagging. Bagging may are all of our models are trained on slightly different data sets, and the predictions from those models are then either averaged out or we apply majority voting on them depending on the type of outputs to get our final output. The second is boosting, where our models are placed sequentially, and one model fixes the mistakes of the previous model, and this way, over time, our accuracy is improved. The third is stacking, where one all of their models are trained on the same data set and their predictions are sent to a final meta model. उस meta model की जिम्मेदारी होती है to see के how best we can combine those predictions to get the best possible final output for our specific task. So we can think of it as like a final judge who chooses the best outcome. So now let's see these techniques in action. So in bagging, we have these three different models which are trained on slightly different data sets, and then we are combining in subkey predictions by using majority voting. So because strawberries have the highest count here, so they have won the majority voting, and that's why the final class is strawberries. Boosting May, we have multiple different models which are being trained sequentially over the mistakes of the previous one. And this is how, over time, our mistakes are being reduced, right? So mistakes are being minimized. Stacking, on the other hand, is where we have multiple different models which are trained on the same data sets, and then their predictions are sent to a final meta model layer that decides how these predictions can be combined in the best way possible so that our output is the best for our specific task, right? So ensemble models are actually used in a lot of different places, and ये इसलिए है because they perform much better than single models. And so in industries where it's very important to have accurate results, वहाँ पे ensemble models को काफ़ी ज़्यादा use किया जाता है. तो for example healthcare industry में for disease prediction, finance में for fraud detection, you can have recommendation systems for e-commerce industry, and then for identifying any sort of suspicious activity in cybersecurity. So, this was our presentation on ensemble models. We hope that it was clear and interesting. Thank you for listening.